how to create a movie in Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the Gallery app. Next in here, I'll go back to the Gallery homepage. Then in Gallery, what we want to do is we tap on Pictures. Next, you can tap on the More button at the top here and tap on Create, and then tap on Movie. Now in here, select the videos and pictures that you want to include in your movies. So here I will select a few. I can also select a video. So let's select this small video. And then at the bottom here, tap on the movie button. Okay, so now we are in the studio creator. So at the bottom here is a timeline of your movie. There are a lot of things that you can do in here. So this button here will allow you to auto trim, so it will automatically pick out the best pictures or the best scene for your video. Now in here there is a plus button. If you tap on that, you'll be able to add in additional image or video. So in here, if you decide to add in some more images, you can do so. So here I can select in this video and a few more images and tap on done. So at any time you can add or remove additional pictures or videos. Okay, this says some files are not compatible. Now at the top here, you can readjust your timeline. So just zoom in a little bit, and then just simply swipe across here to have a look at your movie. Okay, so at the top here is a button that you can select a soundtracks. Sorry, here we can scroll down and select a soundtrack, or we can select our own music from here. Okay, so if you click on this button, this will allow you to view your video in full screen mode. So go back here and tap on the play button. This will allow you to play the video in full screen. So I'll go back to the editing mode, and I'll pause the video. And here at the middle, you can see at between each of the clip, each of the between in the middle on each of the pictures or video, there is a button. That is the transition buttons. If you tap on it, you can choose dissolve, fade, slide, or wipe. So there are like 4 available options. So here I'll select dissolve, and I can choose apply to all. So it will apply to all the different transition between pictures and videos. So let's take a look at an example here. So you can see there is a smooth transition between different pictures. Okay, so if you want to change it, you just tap on that and tap on fade. And that's it, so that will perform a fade transition. Here you can add in a text layer, and you can also increase this text size, test. So here you can see we can increase the text size like this by dragging on the slider bar to increase the size. You can also resize it like that. You can rotate and move the position of the text to a different location. Okay, so that is for the text layer. You can tap on the edit button to edit your text styles. You can change this one here to a different font style. Okay, so we've got different font style that you can select. You can change the color of the text. And so that is the text editing. So I'll just finish it off. So you could zoom in, zoom out as well. So you can, again, we can perform some transition like that. And we tap on the back key. So then once done with that, we tap on the back key. So that's the text layer. Here we got the objects or stickers layer that you can also use. So we've got calendar, we've got the date in here. So we can set the date, and then we can drag it to the top. You can resize it to make it larger or smaller. Okay, so that will add in another extra layer onto your timeline. So here, if I tap and play, you can see it will add in another layer. Here we can move this around, so it doesn't the layer doesn't lay on top of one another. So here you can see if I tap on that, so look at the date, and then we got the text layer. Okay, next is the edit button. So you can in here you can edit your videos, you can draw on the video, you can draw patterns. It's quite helpful if you need to hide a certain part of the video. So let's say I want to hide this brand right here, I can just draw on that, so it draws the pattern. So tapping on each of the icon here will allow you to make changes. So you can change the size of the brush, or you can change the pattern. And you can select a pattern style. In here, if I draw it, you can see now it has a different pattern style. Okay, so then there is an erase button. So eraser, so you can change the size of the eraser as well. So that will help erase this part here. And then tap on the apply button. Okay, so here we applied, we have added another layer in here. So if I tap on the play button, you can see it will apply that pattern in there. Okay, and then lastly is the music option. So audio. So it can't add more audio to this point in the movie. So we need to go back in here and then go back to the beginning of the clip, and then tap on soundtrack or my music. So you can select a track from your library. Okay, so here. Okay, so that is all the editing that we can do. Here we can split the clip right here, and then tap on done at the top, and that's it. Now after that, if you need to modify, you can go back in here and modify. You can change the name of the project. So my movie tree, you can delete that. And then tap on rename, and then tap on save movie. So as you can see, the studio applications is quite versatile, allowing you to perform a number of functions. Okay, so saving movie is now completed. So it is saved to galleries. If we go back in gallery in here, we should be able to see the new movie clip. So that's the clip right there. And then we got that. And then we got the text slide in. And that's it. That's how you can create movie in gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.